Hey guys, how's it going? How to basically set up interactive widgets on iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, long press on the empty area of your home screen until the apps and widgets start to jiggle, right? Click the plus button at the top left. Okay, browse through the available widgets by clicking add widgets from here, right? And choose a widget and then select the desired size. Okay, let's say for example I want to add this one, right? I'm gonna be able to swipe left, and as you can see right here, you're gonna see interactive widget, right? You might not see it in because it's in Arabic, but let's say for WhatsApp, right? You can see right here status, chats, and you're gonna be able right here to see for this app, for example, right? And you can scroll over that to the available widgets that supports that interactive widget, right? Widgets on iOS 18 support interactivity for quick actions such as marking tasks as done or controlling media playback directly from the widget. So let's say I want to select note, and as you can see right here, quick note. I can add the quick note right here, get access to your most recent quick note, right? You can change it from there. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to customize, of course, the widget. Add any widget, right? After adding it, long press right here to add widget, and you could just place it wherever place that you want. Hold the widget, okay, and then you can change it to whatever place that you want. Okay, and you can drag it left and right and basically hit done after your final touch. And basically interactive widgets enhance functionality, right? So ensure the apps you're adding to support iOS 18's interactive features. All right, additionally, customizing your layout and widget sizes and colors can give your home screen personalized aesthetic. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.